lights fill up the room.
Hey everyone, I'm Tanisha. This is my first ever YouTube video. You might not even know me. This is my actually the first time speaking like this in front of the camera, and I'm actually kind of nervous if you can tell. I have never ever done this, but what actually pushed me for making this is lately I have been seeing a lot of people, like not people, lot of girls making videos like this, like talking in front of the camera, ranting the things out, which actually motivated me. Like even I should might give it a shot. Like why not? So I just took out my camera. I just put on a tank top and I started making this. So yeah, let's get into it. Saved all the things I want to talk about on my phone. I'm currently recording it from my phone. I have saved all the things which I want to talk about on my notes app. I generally like keeping all my things private on my notes app, so I've done that right now too. So let's get into it. First thing first is walking. Now walking has always been therapy for me. Ever since I got into college, I never, like before college and school, I didn't know that walking was actually a good habit. Every time I feel like too occupied with my thoughts, like too much is going on, I have no one to rant about. Actually I have very less friends, and like by less I mean handful of them, and most of them are always busy, so I don't know where to go. So I just put on my earphones, put on a good outfit, and I start walking. So I just wear a baggy t-shirt and maybe joggers, and I start walking. So for walks, most of the time I go to beaches, and my most of the walks are night walks. So maybe after the walk I can go have a small ice cream, which makes me feel good, which actually calms my brain down, and I love it. And I usually go to the beach walking. I walk there, I come back walking, I put on my earphones, I listen to the new songs, I listen to the playlists I make. I come home, I take a very good bath, which really brings the me back and makes myself actually feel good. Now besides walking at night, I go jogging, not every day, like very few days a month. I go jogging to the beach early morning. By 6 I leave from my home, and by 6:15 I am at the beach. I take my scooter, so I park it there and I just jog. It's like very dark, there are very less people, and most of them are senior citizens and very few people of my age. So I just start walking. First 1 to 2 kilometers I just walk, and then I just start jogging. It makes me feel like the sweat actually makes me feel good. It makes me feel like all my stress is out. It actually makes me feel good. Now besides walking, I actually love doing Pilates. I have been doing Pilates since more than a year now. Recently, I also purchased this new Pilates mat. I actually love doing it. I love doing yoga too here in my terrace. I'm currently sitting in my terrace. So I love doing that. This new mat also actually motivates me to do a lot more workout. Like not a lot. I usually do like 15 to 20 minutes. I usually do. But if I feel like I have ate a lot more junk, or I feel like very bloated, then I might do like 30 to 40 minutes. But 30 to 40 minutes I usually don't do every day. Maybe once a week or twice, not more than that. But Pilates I do like 5 times a week. Even if it's for 20 minutes, I do it because I know after doing it I'll have a good feeling. Like before doing it, I'm just like, what should I do? I'm tired, I have nothing to do. So that I just take out my mat. First 1 to 2 minutes I just lie on my mat and look at the sky. Like today also, if you see, the sky is actually very beautiful. But usually I just take on my mat. I said I lie down here, I look at the sky, and then I'm like, okay Tanisha, now let's go, let's do it, let's not procrastinate more. So I just do it here, and yeah, that's all about it. Now besides walking and Pilates, I also love doing cycling. Like I don't do it like a lot. Like when I was a kid, I was in school, I used to love cycling a lot. I used to go like everywhere on my cycle. Like even when my mom used to tell me, go bring this grocery, go bring that, I used to just take out my cycle and go alone. Now that I don't cycle that much, I might take it like once a month out and like go on a long cycle ride, and that actually makes me feel good. Like I sweat a lot by cycling. While cycling also, I wear like a very baggy t-shirt, a very baggy shorts, and I just go cycle my way out. where I stay currently, I also have a cycling garden nearby. So sometimes I just take my cycle and go to that cycling garden and just cycle there for like 40 minutes or something, and then I leave. But that 40 minutes actually makes me push through a lot along my day and actually makes me feel good. So the next thing I'm gonna talk about is makeup. Now, makeup and dressing up. So I don't usually do makeup because it really reacts a lot to my skin. Like currently also you can see I have 2-3 small pimples, so that makes me like stay away from makeup. But if I'm going out, I might just apply a good lip gloss, maybe a good concealer and a sunscreen. And before going out, I usually do face mask. I do a lot of face mask, like two, 3 times a week. I do face mask for like 10 minutes. After doing face mask, I actually feel like all the dust is off my skin. I'm really sorry for the noise. Like there's a really bad construction going on. And dressing up is also like I might not always do, because most of the time I don't feel confident wearing what I'm wearing. So it's just a normal t-shirt and jeans, or maybe joggers most of the time, and a good pair of shoes. But the days which I feel like I'm look so good, I feel so confident, I just usually put on my best outfit and jeans and I leave. For my hair, I usually wash like 3 to 4 times a week easily, because my hair gets oily and greasy too quickly. Like I washed it yesterday and right now it's also not in the best condition. So yeah, maybe you can invest in a very good shampoo. And lately I also have been starting doing conditioning. Like I used to never use conditioner on my hair. I used to just shampoo it and like come out. But lately I have been conditioning and using hair mask, which I think has actually helped a lot with my hair. Like they are actually glowing. Like if you would see my before pics, you would know that my hair has been always been very rough and wavy. Right now it still looks kinda healthy. Now with dressing up, yeah, it's all that. I just usually put on my best outfit and leave the house. But that's not what I do most of the days, like some days of the week. This brings me to my next point, which is small changes in my look. Now I love doing small changes in my look. I don't do a very drastic change. It's not for me. It might be for you, but I don't like a drastic change. Small changes actually make me feel good. Now by small changes I mean changing my nail color every week. Like every week I change it, but from past 2-3 days I haven't applied any nail paint. I don't go to parlors. I haven't done manicure ever. I just paint it at home. I have really small nails. I've cut it recently. I just paint my nails, or maybe haircut like 2 months. Even face mask like a lot. Then I maybe change my earrings. Like currently I'm wearing this gold, but I might wear something else. I might wear silver. I might put on a good watch. Yeah, that's all about changing, small changes in my looks. Now the next point which I'm gonna talk about is taking myself out on a date. Now I have never done that a lot. I just dress up, I put on my earphones, I wash my hair, I take my everything shower. Everything shower is such an important thing for me. Like every like every 3 days I take an everything shower, which I do everything like shaving, exfoliating, face mask, scrubbing and oiling my hair. I do everything and I just take a 1 hour long shower. By that I actually feel like all my negative energies are taken away and I feel so good, I feel so positive, I feel like myself all again. I feel like a new version of me is born after everything shower. So after taking an everything shower, I just put on a good outfit. I wear my shoes, I put on my earphones, I put on maybe good jacket, and then I start walking towards my favorite cafe. Now there is this place which I love, especially for their pasta. So what I do every time I feel like down, I don't feel like myself, and I know most of my friends are always busy and like they do not have maybe time when I have time. Like there's a lot of mismatches in our time. So what I do is I go alone. I have a full plate of pasta by myself and maybe a glass of water. Now I don't like drinking sodas, yeah, lot of coffees and everything. I'm not too much into those type of drinks. So I usually have water, and in the like the most case scenario, maybe a coffee, but that's not also like every time. So I just have a plate of pasta by myself and I feel so good. Like I don't have to share it with everyone, it's everything to myself and I just complete it. Now walking back home also makes me feel good because walking is like always has been a therapy for me. I can easily walk like 4 to 5 or maybe 6 kilometers also, because whenever I go to that pasta place it's like 3 kilometers from my home. So I go walking and I come back walking, which also digests the food I had, and that also makes me feel good. Like my stomach feels light and very like I can move quickly and I don't feel very heavy and bloated by that. So besides taking myself out on a food date, I have also tried taking myself out on a movie date. So which movie I watched alone? I guess it was Bhool Bhulaiya. Yeah, maybe I watched Bhool Bhulaiya alone, because like when I asked my friends, of course they were all busy and no one had time. Saw on Book My Show on which show the time is there, and I just walked to that theater. I watched my movie, I had my food and I came back. I usually call everyone कि भाई किधर पहुँचा, तू किधर पहुँची, but now I could just leave on my time. So yeah, watching movie also makes me feel good. But I don't have Netflix and everything. I don't have a Netflix subscription. Like maybe in lockdown, like 2020, I had Netflix, but I remember I used to watch it a lot, and ever since I have never got a Netflix subscription, because I know I have enough self-control to not watch it, like binge watch it for hours, but I also might lose my track, I feel. So I just usually don't take any subscription of all these OTT platforms and everything. The most I do is watch YouTube. Like I might watch YouTube 1 hour something a day and watch maybe reels and everything, and I feel that's enough. So yeah, YouTube and reels is enough for me for as an entertainment side. But besides that, I don't take any subscription of any platforms. So the next thing I want to talk about is cleaning. Now cleaning has always been an essential thing for me. Like ever since I was in school, I used to keep my backpack clean. I used to bring a cute water bottle. My pouch was always clean. I always had all the things which I need. My own pencil, my own pen, my scale, because I always never like borrowing things from anyone. मुझे भी फ्यूचर में उनको हेल्प करना पड़ेगा, इवन इफ आई डोंट वांट टू. सो आई एम ऑलवेज रेडी विथ माई ओन थिंग्स. आई ऑलवेज कैरी माई ओन थिंग. माई थिंग्स आर यूजुअली वेरी क्लीन. इफ यू एवर लुक ओपन माई बैग, you will find a small chocolate or small protein bar, my hair clips, my books, my pouch, my scale, everything. Even I carry a stapler in my bag, and yeah, purse of course, a wallet, and that's all the thing which I carry, so that I don't personally need help of anyone. And my cleaning, I also want to share about my cupboard. Now my cupboard is not clean most of the time, like because my sister also shares my cupboard with me. Not most of the time, often a mess. So now she doesn't clean it. So I know, of course, I only have to do it, because if I won't, who will? So I just start cleaning my cupboard. I just take all my clothes out and I just lie them on the floor, and I make different stacks of it. Now stacks of sleeveless clothes, stacks of jeans, stacks of my full sleeve vests, stacks of my sweaters, my hoodie. And I also do deep cleaning. Now in deep cleaning, what I do is remove all the clothes which I don't usually wear and are worn out. Now my mom doesn't personally let me throw anything that is like what I don't wear, because my mom knows if I won't wear it, my sister might wear it. So I just take out like a few items which are like torn, like एकदम फटे हुए, पुराने हुए, घिस गए हुए कपड़े. I just take them out and I throw it. Give my mom few t-shirts of mine for making pocha. But if my mom doesn't need any new pochas, I just throw them. Most of the time I just put them all back in, because I know if I'm not liking it today, I might like it after a few years. So the next point which brings me to is gardening. Now gardening is what I don't do like a lot, like the least thing I do. But whenever I do it, it always makes me feel good. Like you all can see how healthy the plants are behind. Also we need to restock like a few of my plants. I'm actually using one of my plant behind this camera for like a stand. So gardening, what I do is like the seeds of the fruits which we have, which is left over, we usually put it in these pots and let it grow. We give water to it every single day, but currently it's like rainy season and the rain is like on off. So pani mil jata hai plants ko. Keeping like healthy plants also attracts like a good positive energy. It also brings us closer to God. That's what my mom and dad say. So yeah, we take good care of our plants. So the next thing which actually made me feel good was going to temple. Now right now I don't go to temple too often, but like few months back when I felt like my life was falling too apart, everything is too scattered, like everything is cluttered in my brain, I used to just go to temple. 7:30 there is like an aarti going on, so every day I used to go in that aarti. I just used to close my eyes and wish and pray everything that I want in my life. Please replace me with this and everything good like what I wished for, and which actually helped me. Like, I always remember the replacement was always better. Like even with many things which were going that time in my life, which I am very glad are not affecting me right now, but which used to affect me, like everything got just really very calm, and my skin was also breaking down a lot because of the things which were going through. Right now my skin is much more calm, but before it was such a big mess, and I'm very grateful for whatever happened. I'm very happy right now that I'm was before. So by the next point, many people might not relate is making matcha. Like I started having matcha maybe like a year back, and the first matcha I ever tried was in the Bougie Cafe. First sip was not that like after I finished that entire glass, because of course we paid for it and I don't like wasting things. Like I just drank and it actually made me feel good, and I didn't, yeah, I of course tried it because it was trending at that time. But I just bought a packet of matcha home and I started drinking it every single day. Now by drinking it every single day, I actually feel more energetic, more power. I actually feel like yes, I can go through this day, I can do my best, I can give my best in this thing. And matcha also helped me with clearing my skin. Like right now my skin is much more clear than what it was before. And I also love the process of making the matcha, like using the whisker, adding milk. The milk which I add is Amul Doodh only. I don't use any special milk for making matcha. I make it with my Amul Doodh. I add lots of ice. Now I love ice, so I just put like 7 to 8 cubes of ice in my matcha and just drink it. Like that cold drink usually calms me down. Now matcha I drink around 5 to 6 p.m. But early morning, if I'm not going to college or if I don't feel like having a breakfast, which is like most of the time, because most of the time I skip my breakfast because I don't personally like eating in the morning. So I just make a black tea maybe or a green tea, and now I have a big box of green teas and black teas which I feel like might expire soon. So I just drink it every single day in the morning, like a 1 cup of it. I just pour hot water in the green tea bag or the black tea bag. It's because my mom usually shouts me for not having breakfast. So I just show her, yeah, I'm having something, I'm not starving myself for anything. And in the evening, I make my matcha and have it. So yeah, that's everything I drink in a day. So I actually forgot a very big point which helps me feel good and feel good better about myself, is deleting my social media. Like in my notes app, this point was like the second, and I don't know how I skipped this, but this is what I do the most. Like it's the topmost thing which I do in everything which I said right now, is deleting my social media. Now I don't disable my Instagram or anything. I just switch off my phone. Like I don't delete it, I just switch off my phone and I keep it in my cupboard, and I lock that cupboard and give my keys to mom so that I don't get it easily and it's not easy to find. So I just keep my phone aside and I start ticking off the things which I had in my list, like studying. So I just take out my book, I start solving all my sums, I start doing the text bag, start doing the things which I had planned, like cleaning my cupboard and everything, which I wouldn't do if my phone was in my hand with me. Like phone takes a lot of my hours in a day, I know that, and my screen time is also a lot. So to reduce it, I do this, like not very often, but I do it. Like I do remember when I was the last time I did it, and that actually makes me feel good. Like that actually makes me feel okay, besides using phone I have all other these things which is to be done, like no negotiation with that. So yeah, I just keep my phone in the cupboard and I start doing all those things, and that actually makes me more productive with myself. So yeah, that is the end of the video. This is everything that I do that makes me feel good. Let me know in the comments if any of these things help you or might have helped you before, and let me know any suggestions that you try and you want me to try too. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.